What is going on, guys? It's about RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. And guys, here we've got another TOMICA Premium, the Ferrari 512BB in this amazing red paint job. So I actually got this from a TOMICA event all the way at Orchard, and this is actually my third Ferrari in the this is my fourth Ferrari. I'm sorry, this is my fourth Ferrari in the collection. I had two FXX and one SF90 Stradale. So this is my fourth Ferrari in the collection. I think this is really amazing. The reason why I got this, and you guys would see in a bit, is because of this one feature. In fact, there are two features here that I think is the only reason why I got this. I'm not a huge fan of the 512BB. Doesn't look nice, doesn't look anything at all, honestly. But they have these two features that I like way more than the car. And then we're just gonna do full rolling, and then we're gonna just roll through the box. There's nothing much here, I tell you, rather than the TOMICA box. So we're gonna quickly, I did open the plastic beforehand to just kind of prepare myself for the video. But yeah, so here's the car. One thing I gotta say, TOMICA, I think they really do a good job, or very well done, a very well job with the paint job. You know, I feel like Ferraris, when it comes to, you know, Ferraris, they have this unique paint, red paint scheme that I think TOMICA does a way better job than Hot Wheels, for example. And yeah, anyways, we're gonna dive right straight into the vehicle. So this is the right side of the vehicle. Nothing much special. You know, you got a black tint right there, and the top it's red, the iconic Ferrari red. You've got your side indication lights. I'll show you the features towards the end. I just want to go through the car real quick. If you look at the front, you guys can see the horse right here, which is really nice. And I mean, let me just try to see. You guys can actually see how well this logo is. I mean, it's very small, right? And it's done really well, which I think is commendable and a magnificent job. We've got a Ferrari logo in the top right as well, and we've got the headlights, which we will get back to in a bit. The interior, the all black interior with the interior buttons and the gear shifters and the steering wheel as well, which I think just makes this car look that much awesome. If you look at the rest of the vehicle, the wheels, once again, they spin really well. They're really nice 5-spoke wheels, very iconic 90s Ferrari vibes right here. And if you look at the rear of the vehicle, we've got the usual quad exhausts. It does say 512BB. I think it says 512BB over there. We've got the circular tail lights, almost like the GTRs. They all, I mean, it almost looks similar, right? And if you look at the base of the vehicle, over here doesn't say much. There aren't much details as well. Just it's a rather plain base. We've got this lever, which I will explain to you in a bit as well. And then we've got some details in the back rear as well. These are rivets. TOMICA, it says TOMICA. It says 512BB. Does not say Ferrari anywhere else, which it's kind of a bummer. I don't know why they did not write that. But anyways, what I was trying to say is, I apologize for the background. Okay guys, just for the background, I am gonna try to figure it out. I do not know what to do with the background. Right now it's on my laptop, you know, it's like just a screen. Sometimes it slips, so I'm gonna try to figure that out, but that's for a future video. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any idea what I should do with the background. Maybe get a few cars or something, I don't know. But yeah, I'm still working on that. Anyways, back to the car. The first feature I want to discuss is the rear, the engine lid. And check this out. Let's just try not to break this. It opens up ever so slightly, and it allows you to have a look at the interior engine. Let me check it out. And okay, you know what? I think you can open. Let me see. Okay, so this is okay. So you guys can actually open it out easily. It's not hooked on, it's just placed in. So with the hood out, the rear deck lid out, you guys can actually see the Ferrari engine on the 512BB, which I think is really nice. I love these details, and this is actually very easy to put back on as well, I think. Just bear with me. Hopefully all right, there you go. And it's back in, and it just sits flush. So I think this is really amazing. Like the detail, like when you, especially, you know, when you like display the car this way, it really just makes it look so much more mean and aggressive and amazing looking. And I'm a huge fan of this. And then we're gonna close that right back, and I'm gonna show you the next feature, which is the lever. So if you guys actually pop this on, ta-da! Pop-up headlights, guys. Check it out. Pop-up headlights. I did a review on a Lamborghini. I think it was the Murcielago, or was it the? I think it was a Diablo. I'm sorry. The Diablo has headlights, pop-up headlights like this, which TOMICA did a magnificent job. And then now Ferrari, the 512BB has this as well. And just check it out. It's so nice to play with, and with the headlights up, it just looks so much better. It looks so nice. And that's the only reason. These two are the only reason why I got this car in the first place. So I'm a huge fan of this. As usual, guys, we are going to do a few ring shots with the car. I'll see you at the end. just like guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I should have amazing time unboxing this car. It's gonna go superbly well in my collection. I don't own a lot of Ferraris, but I think this is one of the better ones just because of the features that it comes with. But just like guys, this video is over and I'm out. Bye.